One of our fourth grade standards is learning how the sun and the earth interact together and how that creates patterns like day and night and patterns of shadows here on earth.
Our teacher assigned us a map to help us learn how the earth rotated and who was behind us in our country.
And they kind of created an earth for themselves so they could actually act out the rotation of the earth, and then a partner used a flashlight to simulate the sun.
I learned about how Earth rotates and how fast it rotates.
We can't feel that we're spinning, and we're spinning so fast. We made big circles, and it helped me understand why we don't feel it, because it's so big that it's just tiring, not dizzy. And so, but the tiny circles made you dizzy because you were spinning in place.
To have them act it out, it's so much more memorable than to just sit and watch a video, which the videos help, but for them to actually get up and be the earth, it just puts them into the lesson rather than just reading it or seeing on the paper.
This lesson was so fun. It helped me learn about the earth rotating and the different time zones. Man, I love this lesson.